So I just picked up my groceries. I'm about to go drop off Biscuit's dog food. I had to do a quick little cleanup up here. It was so dirty and messy. And I just realized bleach spilled on my carpet. So now I have like little white spots everywhere, which sucks. But so real quick, before I take off, I'm just going to go ahead and finish this really quickly. I was actually working on it before they delivered my groceries. So I finally bought another cord because this one is broke. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's broken right here. It's supposed to be pushed all the way in. Right here is coming down. And it's causing this to short out, which is why my fridge kept turning off. So I finally bought another cord, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quick. And then when I was cleaning up, I found these, which is what I need to connect to the cord. But I found these after I went to Amazon and bought some more because I couldn't find these. So, good thing I haven't opened this yet. So tomorrow, we're sending this back. But okay, let me see if I can do this really quickly. So I do need to plug my fridge back up. I was trying to do it before I got, you know, the new groceries, but although there are a lot of people here, they came out with my order so fast, within like 3 minutes. So, let me see if I can do this real quick. Okay, so this is the female connector. This is the male. They didn't leave much wire out, so let me strip this a little bit. Whew, y'all. All I can say is I am halfway through Vlogmas. Okay. That's not right. This is like saying F1 and the fridge is saying 46. So it looks like something is wrong with the freezer. I'm just going to have to use the broken cord because I'm not sure what's going on. I really don't know what's going on. Okay. It's back to saying 9 degrees. So maybe... Nope, it went back to saying F1. What is going on? Everything is breaking down, y'all. I don't know what to do. I'm halfway through Vlogmas, and I'm sorry this is such a short video, but I just have so much going on today. And I still have to edit this video for today. It's a lot, y'all. It's a lot. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to keep up, honestly. I made it 2 weeks though. I made it 2 weeks, but I don't know about the next 2 weeks. It's always something, right? And today I just purchased a new oven, which sucks. I mean, it's good, but it sucks because I was not trying to spend $350 on an oven. Yeah. So y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm ending this video off and I'm just very frustrated today. Today has not been a great day. It has not been. It's been very challenging. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Take Biscuit his dog food and I guess hook up the other cord because this one, I'm getting an error code from my freezer and I don't want stuff to go bad in my freezer. So of course I have to switch it back out. So oh yeah, y'all, I'll see y'all in the next video. Hopefully I'll be in a better mood then, but today was a very sucky day. Very sucky day. Bye y'all.